Cut the cherry tomatoes diagonally. Flip the chopped tomatoes over. Done? Cut the bottom of the boiled egg to make it stable. Use the tip of the knife to make a zigzag V shape, making sure not to pierce the egg too far. Slowly peel off the white part. Use Noi punch for eyes. Mayonnaise is spread on the back of the Noi to hold it in place. This is baked pasta. Eligible pick. Use the corn as a beak and fasten it to the egg. Secure the top eggshell with baked pasta. Use tomato sauce for cheek. Cute. Slice the cucumber, but do not cut it all the way through. Make staggered cuts in the cucumber. Carefully fold the cut you just made. That's it, butterfly. Fold the ham in half. Cut off the color part. Make cuts at a 45-degree angle. Roll it up. Pretty. Place the broccoli in the middle. Pretty more color. Use halloumi next. Nice combination. Cut the sausage in half. Fry in a frying pan. Make a thin egg sheet using one egg. If you have difficulty flipping the eggs using chopsticks, use a spatula. Make cut in the sausage. Cut the egg sheet in half. Fold it in half and make a cut. Roll it up with the sausage. Cut off any excess petals and secure with a toothpick. It's a little better than before one.